What is Google My Business? Google Business Tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create your business listing on Google. It can be a physical business that is located on the map, or you can just create a simple listing for people to be able to view your business and the services that you are providing. This includes your timings, your location, as well as your workplace. If you have images of your shop or of your office, you can add those as well. You can also include a phone number, website, so people can garner more information about your business. Now, the reason that you must create a Google business profile and why I recommend this to all business owners is because whenever people are looking for something, when they're looking for a certain service, or if someone is looking for a pet shop, they're not going to necessarily look at niche names. Instead, they're just going to search for pet shops near me. And then whatever businesses pop up, which are going to be Google businesses, will be the ones that they visit. So that is why having a business listing on Google is so important. So to get started, simply head on over to google.com and head into business profile. From here, you're going to click on manage now, and you're going to click on sign up. So I already have created businesses, but I'm going to click on add business and add a single business. Now this is going to be your screen if you're starting out for the first time. Now keep in mind on the top right, you're going to have your Google account. So whichever Google account that you are using to get started is going to be the one that is registered with your business. So keep in mind whenever you're building your Google business listing, if that is the email you want to use, or that is the email you want to associate with your business. Now, let's say we are providing Joe's handyman services or Joe's plumbing or just handyman services. I think I'm going to go with that like this. Now, after I do that, you're going to add your business category. So if you search for your particular type of category, you can find multiple different types of categories. You have handymans, we have a bunch of different things. So I'm going to choose handyman, and then I'm going to click on next. And then you're going to add your location. Now, let's say I'm someone that just works off of my house, so I don't have a physical office. If you're providing handyman services, you don't really need an office in most situations, so I can proceed with no. However, if people can visit your store, if you're running a salon, if you're running a studio, if you're running an office or retail business, and you have a physical location where customers can come and purchase their products or services, you're going to add it as yes. However, I'm just going to proceed to next. Now you're going to add the optional area, so the area that you are providing your services to. So let's say I'm providing my services in Toronto, like this. I can select that, and then you can add multiple different locations if you're providing your services in multiple different locations. Then click on next, and then you can enter your phone number and website. Now, I always recommend building your website and linking a phone number, because customers can call if they have any questions or queries before they are coming or before they are booking you, and having a website that explains your portfolio can help you get more clients and can also help establish trust between your brand or business and between your clientele. But for this video, we're going to skip through these sections. Now we can add a website or a phone number. So I'm going to use a Wix website that we created, and I'm just going to link that over here. And then you can click on next over here. You do have to confirm that this is actually your website, so keep that in mind whenever you are adding your business. Now, after that, you have to enter your mailing address. So although this address location will be hidden from the public, Google needs to verify that you're actually able to service in the areas that you're saying you can service in. So you guys can see your address will be entered, and post office boxes are not eligible. So just because you have a box in a bank or any other facility doesn't mean you can actually start your business over there. So you're going to enter your address later, and what Google does is that they send you an envelope, and in that envelope is just a confirmation code that you can confirm, and this will be a great way for you to confirm your address. I'm going to verify later because it's not essential to our business. Now after that, because our business is a service-based business, I can start adding the services that I am going to provide. Now, one thing I always recommend is to add all of the services that you provide, even if they look very similar. So maybe cleaning and deep cleaning might seem similar to you, but adding all of your services is super essential. So I'm going to show more, and these are just some of the general recommended servicings, or the predicted services that it is recommending me, and then I can add that, and then I can start adding my custom services as well. So let's say we are doing something like interior redesign, and I can click on next, and in this way you can add your custom services as well. Now, after you have added your services and verified your business, now you can start adding your business hours. So let's say I do it from Monday and we don't have Wednesdays or something, and let's say I provide my services from 9 a.m. So 9 a.m. till, let's say we provide our services till 11 p.m. So you can add your hours like this. If you have a break time, you can also enter that break time over here if you want. Now, you can just follow the same schedule, or if you're providing your services for 24/7, you can also list it as a 24/7 business. Now, you can add breaks, and if you want to add breaks, let's say it's from 9 to 1 p.m. Let's say our first shift is 9 to 1, so I'm gonna select it as 9 to 1, and then I can add hours, and let's say we reopen after like a 2-hour break. So let's say we reopen at like 3 or 3:30, and then let's say we close at 9 p.m. So in this way you can schedule breaks in between as well if you don't take bookings in a certain time period between your day. Once you've added your business timings, you can click on next over here and choose whether or not you want to accept messaging. I recommend to keep messaging on, simply because when you're accepting messaging, if there are customers that are not certain about your services, and if they have any questions or queries which might be hindering them from booking you or visiting your location, you can always help them out and answer their questions or queries to further build and establish trust with that client. So I like to keep these on, and then you can click on next. Now, the final step is to add a description about your business. This is a very essential point because your description is going to reflect whether or not your business is super professional or not. So what I like to do is I like to make sure my business description is around like 200 words, because if it's any shorter than that, it's really not elaborative at all. So let's say our services provide an excellent solution for anyone needs basic maintenance. Now, I'm just not really caring about all of this, but I will definitely be fixing the spellings. Basic, and then we're gonna, fix maintenance like this. And obviously you're gonna further describe your business. You want to include your main motto, or if you have any slug line that you associate with your business, you can enter that in your description as well. And then you can click on next over here. Now, after that, you can add photos of your location if it's a physical presence. Then if you are providing a service-based business, you are going to link any work. So if you remodeled someone's house, or if you remodeled tiles somewhere, if you did some cleaning work, whatever you might have, you are going to display some images of your work over here. And then you can click on next over here. You can claim $600 in credit, and you can get started with your business listing. So once your verification has been completed, your business profile will now be publicly available for anyone to access, and that can help you in growing your business. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say, and I will catch you guys in the next video.